If you work with several open windows, you likely spend a lot of time moving among them. At any given moment, you might have several windows open. A web browser to surf the internet, a msword programs to write documents, a couple of applications to perform work, and perhaps even to play a game. To do this, click on Start button, go to Settings, select System, scroll down and click on Multitasking. Now switch on this snap windows. That's it. Now you can open multiple programs at the same time. Drag the open window on left or right side of the screen. That's it. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe the Technicya. I will catch you in next tech video. Bye bye.